SteelSeries Alias Pro Kit Review, Pro-XLR mic and stream mixer that simplifies your audio. You're midstream, Discord is too loud, your game audio is drowning out your voice, and you're frantically alt-tabbing to fix it. Again. A creator I know used to lose viewers every time he fumbled with volume sliders. Sound familiar? That constant audio juggling isn't just annoying, it breaks your flow and costs you engagement. You deserve better. What if one piece of hardware could fix all of it? Every stream, you're fighting the same battle. Discord spikes. Your mic picks up every keyboard click. Your audience hears the hum you've learned to ignore. You tweak settings for hours, but nothing sticks. A podcaster told me she spent more time troubleshooting audio than creating content. The mental tax adds up. Your focus fractures. But there's a way to take control back, without complexity. Enter the SteelSeries Alias Pro Kit. This isn't just another microphone with flashy RGB and empty promises. It's a professional XLR condenser mic paired with a dedicated stream mixer that puts real-time audio control at your fingertips. Don't just pick any streaming mic. Make sure it has a custom 1-inch condenser capsule so you avoid the thin, hollow sound that everyone complains about. The difference is instant. Your voice sounds fuller, richer, and broadcast-ready without endless EQ tweaking. A developer told me it felt like turning on clarity mode the first time he heard his own voice back. The stream mixer handles the chaos. Twist a dial to adjust Discord, game, or media volume without leaving your game. Press one button to mute. The OLED screen shows you exactly what's happening in real time. It comes with Sonar software, free AI noise cancellation, compression, EQ, and virtual audio routing that replaces messy third-party tools. 6 programmable buttons, dual PC support built in, and here's the bonus. The mic uses standard XLR so you can upgrade your interface later and keep the capsule. This thing rethinks streaming audio entirely. Imagine streaming for 4 hours straight without once thinking about your audio. You're in the zone, navigating team fights, reading chat, switching scenes, and your voice stays clear, your levels stay balanced, and your keyboard clatter stays silent. The SteelSeries Alias Pro Kit makes that real by handling the complexity behind the scenes. One audio engineer I spoke with said, "This is the first gaming kit I've tested where the microphone quality matches what I'd recommend for professional podcast work." Users consistently report feeling more confident on stream because they know they sound professional. The 3 times bigger capsule isn't marketing fluff. It captures a wider frequency range with noticeably lower noise. The 10 speed settings? They're programmable quick actions for one-touch profile switching. Sonar's AI noise cancellation strips out mechanical keyboard noise without making your voice sound robotic. And the dual PC routing? It replaces thousands of dollars in mixers and capture card workarounds with 2 USB cables. Do you ever catch yourself second-guessing whether your mic is muted during a call? That visual RGB ring turns red when muted. Unmistakable, instant feedback. Reviewers, streamers, audio pros, and everyday creators keep saying the same thing. This is the audio upgrade that actually delivers. The SteelSeries Alias Pro Kit isn't a gimmick. It's built to last with durable metal construction, standard XLR connectivity, and free software updates. Stock has tightened recently as more dual PC streamers discover the simplified routing workflow, so if you've been waiting, now's the time. Thousands of creators have already made the switch and aren't looking back. Your stream deserves audio that matches your effort. If you're serious about sounding professional and simplifying your setup, this is the move. Check the link below and hear the difference yourself.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.